Hey everybody, it's good to be back. I am so sorry. I wish things could be different, but they're not, and we have to deal with it. Back when I was in the military, my sergeants, those above me, had when we didn't like something, the sergeants would say something like, "Suck it up and drive on, soldier." And we just had to deal with it. And so, you know what? The fight is not over yet. Just because UniFirst has accepted this offer doesn't mean that it's going to close. Now, the Cintas people, they seem really confident. Everything that they're putting out basically exudes confidence. But that doesn't necessarily mean that's what's happening in the boardroom. I want to remind you guys that back in 2017, when they finally closed the G&K deal, that was a $2.2 billion deal, and it took 7 or 8 months for that to close. Now, this is, and back then we had around 5 or 6 public companies, and now we only have 3. I believe 3. And so, it's going to, I believe it's going to take a lot longer. I believe there's a lot more issues, and I need your help because we're not going to let this happen without a fight. So, here's how you guys can help, right? I can't promise all of this is going to work because I don't know. I mean, realistically, we're looking at like a David and Goliath here, right? It's a $1 billion organization. They're trying to close this deal. They have all the resources at their hand, and we are the little people. So, but I can use your help. I am investing a significant amount of my own personal time in this. Volunteer for research. If you guys want to do some research, let me know. Sign the petition. The link is going to be in there, opposing the merger. Sign that link. I'm not asking anybody to give me any non-public information or to violate any privacy or confidential agreements that you may have. But there is a lot of information that is in the public that you could point me to that would help. For instance, public knowledge. A contract between a city or a something that Cintas and UniFirst might have bid with the city. The city typically is going to put out a link, and you can access the contract right then and there. And the reason why I ask for this information is because, think about it, if there is a city that just has Cintas, UniFirst, and a tiny independent, UniFirst now is acquired by Cintas, and now you have another David and Goliath thing where this independent competitor is going to try to compete against Cintas, and it's just not going to happen. And so if that's the case, and only Cintas and UniFirst bid on it, then we can tell the government, guess what? There's not going to be a lot, you're not going to get a lot of competition, and Cintas is going to be able to quote whatever they want because there's really no competitors in that specific area. And so with that, the specific local competition, I'm looking at that, a specific geographic area where there's small, little to no competitors. That would be extremely helpful in my research. Medique Products is a wholly owned subsidiary by UniFirst. And that could have some implications, especially if Cintas buys that. I'm not sure if that's the case or not. Maybe they're not buying it. Maybe it's not included. I don't know. But if it is, and then Cintas owns that, and now they end up distributing first aid products to other uniform rental companies, that's a big no-no with the Federal Trade Commission and the Department of Justice. Anything you guys might know that is restraining competition, anything to do with the contract specifically, that's going to be a big portion of my report. I've got probably at least 50 pages right now that we are working on and that we're always adding to. So there's a lot going into this. What else? Also, invite your followers, people in your network. Go onto my profile, click on the 3 dots, and invite people in your network to follow my page. Maybe you don't have the information that can help, but maybe they do. And as always, guys, everything that you guys say is private. I've been fielding a lot of phone calls from a lot of people lately, and I do take your calls, and I will answer your email. The flow's been getting a lot bigger lately. But invite people, and I'd be happy to talk and help us out. Looking forward to talking to you and seeing you out there. Have a great day.